In the previous video, I taught you about the rules of exercise 12a. I taught you about polynomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and degree. Okay, about degree of polynomials. Now, in question number 1, which of the following expressions are not polynomial? So, I explained already about polynomial. Now we have to check which one is polynomial and which one is not polynomial. My 1 upon 7 plus x cube. See, for polynomial it is compulsory that power of variable should be positive integer, and here power of variable 2 here, 1 here, 3. So it is a polynomial. Why? Because exponent is positive integer. It is a polynomial. Okay. First part. No. Third part. 5z cube minus square root 7 z square plus 11. See, exponent of z3, exponent of z2, here it is. Then power is, exponent is positive integer, so it is polynomial. It is a polynomial. Then fifth part, 3x to the power 1 upon 2 plus 5 to the power x, 5x to the power 2 minus 9x to the power 2 plus 7. When we'll simplify it, then 3x to the power 1 upon 2 my 4x square, this my 4x square plus 7. Dear student, exponent of x is not, means exponent is not positive integer, so it is not polynomial. Okay. Now question number 2, write monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial to classify each polynomial and also state their degree. It is 5x. It is monomial. Why? Because one term only. It is monomial because one term. One term is monomial. And degree power of x, power of variable is 1. So monomial. Okay. Of degree 1. Now second part, 17x cube y square and z. So it is monomial. Degree 3 to 5 in multiplication. These powers are added. See, 3 to 5 and 1, 6. So in multiplication, degree added. Okay. Powers added. 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6. Degree equal to 6. Okay. Now, m minus 8 m cube plus m to the power 4 minus 2 m square. See here minus plus minus 4 terms. More than 3 terms means polynomial. It is polynomial, or we can say quadrinomial. It may be quadrinomial, but it is not in your syllabus. So it is polynomial, and degree equal to highest power. Which is the highest power? Here 1, here 3, here 4, here 2. Only it is 4. Now question number 4. Give the degree of each of the following polynomials. First part, 5x cube plus 6x square minus 3x plus 20. Degree of polynomial. Degree equal to, see, highest power. This is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is here no any degree of variable. So highest is this. So it is degree. Okay. Now question number 5. Write down the numerical as well as literal coefficient of the following monomials. See, 2 pi r. Here numerical coefficient and literal. I want to tell you for examples. See, 5x. Here numerical value 5 and literal value is x. Whose value can be changed is called literal coefficient, and whose value can't be changed is all are fixed value, is having fixed value. So here numerical coefficient equal to 2 pi literal coefficient r. Okay, then like this. One more. Minus this third part, minus 5ab square. Numerical coefficient equal to minus 5, and literal coefficient equal to ab square. Okay, literal coefficient ab square and numerical coefficient minus 5. Okay.